Hi, my name is Jordan Severino, and this is my Severino formatted integers program. So we started off by setting the fill to black, which is 000, so we can see the integers displayed. Then we set the variable random number equal to a random number between 1 and 300. So any random number, anytime this is restarted, will be generated. In this case, it would be 269, then 73, etc., etc., etc. Every time it's restarted, a new number will be selected. Then we set three variables x, y, and n screen. These are basically just positioning variables that I will explain how they're used in just a moment. We set the for loop variable, random variable j equals 1. J is less than or equal to random number, which is whatever number will be generated at the time at the program is restarted in j++. So essentially what this is doing right here is it is setting the variable j to 1 and j is less than or equal to random number. So basically, it starts at 1, and whatever number is selected, every number in between up until the number that was selected, so starting from 75 and then downward, would be displayed. And everything in between, which is why is j++. So text j, which is the number that is being displayed, x times 25 plus 10. So it starts from 10 pixels to the right and then puts 25 pixels in between each number all the way to the end of the list. And screen plus plus and x plus plus. We set this so the basically once we get to the if screen, or the if statement, whenever the numbers go all the way into 15, if it is divisible by 15 and the remainder is 0, it will then set the x to 0 and the y plus to 15. So it goes down 15 pixels and the x is set to 0, allowing the numbers to continuously go in order and display it in an orderly fashion. Because if we were to change this number, then they would stack on top of each other and you wouldn't be able to see any of the numbers, because every number in this column or row would end up being stacked up on top of each other. So that is essentially the uh, formatted integers code. Thank you for listening.